So yesterday I showed you how I successfully deployed my News Digest Fast API application on Railway. Railway is a cloud hosting platform as a service. Today I'm going to show you the exact same separate application deployed on Render. Render is basically just the alternative for competitor for Railway. Not going to go through the functionality of the endpoints as it is exactly the same. I tested it, I added a few feeds, and I tested the Telegram bot notification. I also tested the AI powered summary. It works fine, but I just want to briefly go through the deployment process. So this is the dashboard of Render platform. As you can see, there is one environment called production, one project, and there is two services that live in the same project. It is PostgreSQL 16 separate service that I use for persistence. This is basically the SQL tables where my articles and feeds are stored. And this is the settings and all of the backend stuff for the application on Render. But what I actually want to show you is how it's organized. Because the deployment process is slightly different, I had to add a few additional files that are strictly related to Render. But because I want to keep everything organized in one single repo, the way to do it properly is that you have one single GitHub repo and you have branches. So main branch is related to Railway deployment, and prod render is a branch that contains all the stuff, all the source files needed to trigger a deployment on Render. So this is the way it works. Whenever I commit and push to this particular branch, it triggers the redeployment process on Render. And that's the way it should be done, right? This is neatly and cleanly organized. There is one single source of truth, one repo, and a bunch of branches. And I'll probably add another branch to try to deploy to another platform as a service just to test it. I'm actually going to try to deploy it to as many as possible. So I guess that's about it.